This is our Bestar honey packing machine for the heating and the stir. This is for the heating. You could set up the different temperature. 加到58度 such as we set up for 58. So, okay. This is the temperature you set up. You could up and down, and this is such as 100 or something. And this is for the stir speed. You could turn the speed for the different speed, and then on the heater, on the stir, the speed is different. Honey. The machine had the 10 stir, heating, and the pump to get the 10 to 20, even to 50 ml.